Bang bang.
Don't worry, yeah.
Don't worry about a thing.
Oh yeah, don't worry.
Every little thing is gonna be
alright.
Yeah, say it. Don't worry about a thing.
About
Be happy. Okay, bye-bye. Wayan, I'll see you in a month.
Oh yes,
Yes, give me a hug, my man. Alright, we're very late. Our driver that was supposed to be taking us was a different Wayan. He didn't turn up. So the new Wayan, who's a hero, has taken us to the airport and we are flying to Cairns, Australia. We just got caught in a ferocious storm.
Crew, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly this drink.
These drink vouchers, and then we've got 2 like proper dives. It's like an introduction to like scuba diving.
You guys are supposed to have Steve with you today.
Supposed to.
Pulled the pin on you.
He has. He's let us down. Man's got a bad stomach. Man.
Yeah.
Good morning. Hey, how are you? I know you kind of hear it all the time. It is cliche. It is an entirely another world down there. That's the first time I've ever sort of been at that sort of depth. Saw a flipping turtle, man. How cool is that? Like first dive. Mental. We've got another one to go, but that reef certainly doesn't look dead to me. That is full of life. That is amazing. That's probably one of the coolest things I've ever done. Time for some food. I don't know if you guys can see this. We've got a nice little plate of food going on. It's the first time in my life I've ever seen a shark. Well, properly anyway, apart from on Shark Week. Wonderful. And the food is nice too. What a special day, man. Well, it's not every day that you can say you've ticked off a childhood dream. Otherwise, you probably spend too much time dreaming and not enough time growing up. But today, I actually fulfilled a childhood dream. I have swam with a shark, a real one, not in a cage, just in the ocean. It's a white-tip reef shark. Unbelievable. It wasn't a big one, it was just like a little medium-sized, almost pretty much a baby. Third dive done. Coffee break. Oh, this is my favourite boat trip I've ever been on for sure. Even the coffee's good.
What's your final thoughts?
Well, my final thoughts are Great Barrier Reef is a very special place. now has a very special place in my heart. Thank you to Matt, the Greyhound. Thank you to Greyhound for sorting this out for us today. Cheers, thank you. Thanks very much, my man. Cheers. What a day. Leaving the boat, it's a little bit windy, you might not be able to hear me. Cheers, fellas. Have a good one. Thank you. What an incredible day that is. It's about 4:30 now. Got about 2 more hours left of sunshine before the sun goes down. What an incredible day. Absolutely brilliant stuff. We saw pretty much, I think I saw everything I'd have wanted to see. You very rarely get to see everything that you actually want to see. Like if you had like a tick sheet of all of the fish or marine life that you'd want to see, you'd very rarely be able to tick them all off. But we saw a shark, we were greeted with dolphins when we first arrived at the first stop. Turtles, I mean, that was a moment right there, flipping swimming alongside me right next to him. It was awesome. Laurence, what would you rate today?
10.
10?
Considering I've been so ill the last 3 days, I really shouldn't have been able to do this trip.
Yep, but you did.
My words.
Glad you woke up?
Yeah, 100%. It's been awesome.
Laurence has literally been like as dead as an alive human being could possibly be. He's been it in the last 3 days. So for his first proper day in Cairns, it's been awesome. I feel like I got a little bit sunburnt on the boat because I was falling asleep towards the end. Absolutely awesome. I have nothing but great things to say about the trip we went on today. Thank you very much to Matt again for sorting everything out. And if you want to go and check out his app, I'll leave a link in the description. Very cool guy. We've had a couple of nights out together in Cairns, got on really well. And hopefully in the future, we'll be doing some more stuff together. But anyway, Laurence, last words of the day from you on the spot.
Wicked, bro.
Anyway, we'll catch you guys tomorrow. We're going to be heading to some waterfalls. We're going on like a little tour. There's a load of waterfalls around the area. That is going to be in the next Australia episode. If you did like this one, be sure to leave a like on the video and we'll catch you very soon. Bye-bye.
I know how to make the girl go crazy when you treat her like your #1 baby. Put my bitches on yachts, we don't do jet skis. Put your ice on rocks, they